Another part of the report talked about the 5 myths of Gen AI use in the enterprise. I would say the first two, that somehow AI will replace most jobs in the next few years and generative AI transforming business, these are, I think, correct in the sense that these are myths. One of the things that they claim, which is enterprises are slow in adopting new tech. I'm not sure how they can claim this is a myth, but it's absolutely false in the sense that this statement is absolutely true in my experience. I think one of the issues is you have to think about what is meant by adoption. In my experience, I think adoption means actually implementation, not just eagerness for experimentation or eagerness for maybe optics. And from that perspective, I think enterprises are absolutely slow in adopting new tech. In addition, their fourth claim is the biggest thing holding back AI is model quality, legal, and data risk. I think this quote unquote myth is a bit misleading in the sense that even though these issues may not be the biggest barriers, but they're certainly runners up. But calling this a myth, I think downplays some of these issues. And lastly, the best enterprises are building their own tools in-house. I think we're still too early to tell. I'm pretty bullish on internal builds.